What up? This is JTB and welcome to the crib.
What are these guys doing?
These guys are all ripping deals.
I'm calling real estate agents.
So yeah, they're just here ripping on the ping pong table,
Calling
realtors.
estate. Got the pool, got a nice fire pit where we can hang out at night. Everyone living here, we're pretty much all in real estate. We do what's called wholesaling real estate. So pretty much what we do is we find properties that look like shit, and then what do we do with it?
Hit up some investors, people who buy and flip properties, and we sell it to them, usually averaging anywhere from 7,000 to 15,000 on deals. We just sell the contracts. We don't got to touch the house or anything. We're just flipping paper basically.
The cool thing is we literally just get to hang out here all day, and we do deals together, but we have a separate business, and we get to live together, hang out at this sweet property, and literally make money together. So it's an amazing thing. And like for both of us too, we were just in Europe for 3 months. I was in 14 different countries. You guys hit a lot more countries, but we were out of the country still making money by the power of real estate and doing this business and being able to do it virtually. So that's another really cool aspect of what wholesaling real estate can actually do for you. You could go and travel with your buddies, make money with them, and be out of the country. We were on a completely different time zone, so it was super cool.
But our main goal of this house is, we were living with Maddie J all summer long, and after about 2 days after we got back, we're just like, damn bro, I love living with you. We'll just get a big ass house. Jamil is literally down the street, and he hooked us up with this house, gave us a very good rent, and just the game plan for this house is just the homies living together, working together, making sure we're all training at 6 a.m. every single morning. We have John pulling through, we got Joseph and Malik and Brock pulling through. But the goal is just homies living, training, and working together and praying together. Also too, having our buddies from across the country come through, live with us, and it's just a mastermind at all times. But that's just kind of the goal, is just keep up that European and white boy summer 2024 energy, and just carry that into what we're doing and just crushing it every day.
Right, like we also have another one of our friends from California that's coming right after John leaves for another week to just come and hang out with us, train with us, and do deals. We all motivate each other, so it's super cool. You know, when we go in the house and we see other people making calls and working, motivates me to work. So it's super cool to see everyone actually going and taking action and doing the thing, because then it makes me also want to go and do that thing. So I think that's like the number one most important thing for you to succeed, is surround yourself around with people that are hustlers and are getting after it. So then that way it motivates you to then go and take action and go and accomplish whatever it is you want to go and accomplish. So surround yourself around people that have the same goals as you do and that are trying to actually go and achieve that goal.